So, what's up guys? For today's video ay graduation day na may trangkaso ang ate mo. Yeah, so huwag na tayo mag-iilas pero yung mga mag-ano ko. Tapos, ang time check is 6:42. 6:42 na niya. Tapos, nakatapos lang ng 8 ang tubig ate ko kasi sobrang lamig ng tubig. Hindi ka kayanin ng sipon ko. Na. So, let's go na. So, tapos na ang auntie mo. Mamaya ang bilis na ako. Isang minute ka. Then, man ako isang pwesto kasi di ba tayo okay. As in. And, yan, nagdali na ako ng pang-remedy sa sipon. Kaka nagbuwa ko ng lamig. Pero, naman na guys. So, wow.
Along Claire Jane L. Academic Distinction Awardee.
Hindi na kita pre. Ano sumigaw eh.
Aguano Sheila May Or. Academic Distinction Awardee. Aguilar Roslyn S.
Pasikat ka boy!
Andre B. Leadership Awardee. Gloria Reynold Vincent B. Leonel Alvin Or. Then Lady Ring C. Tirona Joshua M.
If you're gonna now return to your seats, we can proceed with our next and final segment. Students, please proceed with our final segment, which is the music song. And now it's time to make our graduation song with the graduation of Tuha and Blair and Adelia. It'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you, all around you. I will be here, don't you cry.
It seems so strong. I also hold your feet to say you want. There's a limit.
keep broken. I'll be here to try. Cause you'll be my love. Cause you'll be my heart. Put this ring on now and forevermore. Cause you'll be my love. No matter what they say, you'll be in love always. Why can't they understand the way they feel? They just don't trust that they can stay. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. Cause you'll be in my heart. Cause you'll be in my heart. We can stay on now and forevermore. Cause one day we try to come to the same time. When the city comes in, we must be strong. The future now, they'll see you now. My love, I'll show them together. In my heart, cause you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forever. You'll be in my heart, no matter what they say.
Ali.